guys, today, and just before we start the video, you should definitely watch Koen Wise. That's the YouTube channel. It's awesome. It tells you what we did about making and finding gold. It's really cool. So about that, we're making slime. Let's see what he's doing. So you ready? Yeah. Okay. Once we get all of our materials and once we start to mixing and stuff, we'll show you. So, okay. So, here he is, adding in the ingredients. You have some problems.
I dropped the cup.
That's very bad. Oh no. He dabbed.
Yes.
So now what shall you do now?
I shall read instructions.
Okay.
Newspaper tag. Yep. I ripped it.
Okay,
30 milliliters of freaking water. 30 milliliters of freaking water. Freaking water.
Okay, well he gets that. So there may be some stops like, and then it goes back here. That's why, because if we have some problems, we can fix it. So we're not gonna have any problems. I just stop it and turn it on.
Because it's freaking water.
Okay, water.
30 milliliters of water.
Here we
What's
go.
up, puppy? My dog's over there.
So what's next?
Y'all be quiet.
No.
I'm trying to sleep.
Sorry.
Hey, be very careful, don't get it on the table, okay? You want a muffin?
Ready.
That's your new nickname.
Muffin?
Muffin.
Oh, hey, muffin
You
cakes.
can have a muffin right now.
I'll probably later.
Muffin and cupcake.
Muffin cakes.
Muffin and cupcake.
Yay.
The best. Oh, we're making orange. You ready, guys? It's orange. Everyone loves orange, right? Well, not most people, but you know. So this is Nickelodeon slime, which is very different. Very, very.
Where's the popsicle stick?
I don't know where your
Find the
popsicle
popsicle
stick
stick.
is.
Popsicle.
Okay, now. Okay, now.
Well, I was on video yesterday, I forgot.
Stick.
Todd, he's got birds.
While he stirs it in, we're gonna have a quick glitch. See ya. Well, not see ya. Okay, we're done. And here he is stirring it in. Stirring the big ones.
I don't think it's done yet.
Slime.
Oh, yeah. That's the
Oh my gosh, I forgot that.
That's not. Okay, that's clearly. Activator.
Activator. Good job. And now once we stir it in, it should get that slimy texture.
There we go.
Now we're gonna keep on stirring. People love slime, right?
Just keep stirring.
Just keep waiting. Okay, it's gonna get better. So this is on my computer, so
I did mine on
his computer. Well, Chromebook, same thing.
No, it's not.
You should see his video. Well, we were talking about it, but you know, it's awesome.
It'll come out in a while.
It is slime.
It's slime.
Now that's how you make slime. You just
It's deadly.
deadly slime. You probably it's really sticky.
Yep. I put too much activator.
Oh my gosh. Yeah, way too much. No.
Mercy, help me. Help me, mercy.
So the slime we're making is color slime.
Scrape this up, scoop it up. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da.
here's the instructions. You need to measure 1 milliliter of white glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much of the glue out as possible. Number 2, measure 30 millimeters of water, room temperature. That's very important. So pour it into the same bowl as the glue. Make it fun. Choose your addictive. That's just how to make the normal slime. But if you want to make it like silly, neon, smelly, clear, we'll do that. We'll do the clear one probably next video. Yeah, on his channel. So if you want to see how we make clear slime, go to his channel. And I'm going to say the directions one more time, and then I'm going to show you slime. So first, you need to measure 15 milliliters of white glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into a bowl. Scrape down the walls of the cup to get as much of the glue out as possible. Okay? And number 2, measure 30 milliliters of water, room temperature. It's very important if you miss that out. Pour it into the same bowl as the glue. Make it fun. Choose your addictive. Okay? That's how you make it. Stop the video, rewind it, go see how you make it, and then you need to get supplies for it too.
Help me.
I just told you the supplies. So if you ever want to make slime, you get
That's deadly.
and you get paint too. You can get paint, and then once you pour it in, you can make the slime. And let's see how he's doing so far. Yeah, he made his orange slime. That was actually really fun. We told you everything.
Not right now.
Yeah, we told you everything you need to do to make slime.
You need to know.
Well, we're gonna go. If you want to,
Get me out of this.
you can make it scented too. You can make it silly, party, foam. Ooh. So,
Colton, help me. Help me so much. Help me. Help me. Help me. Help.
we'll see you in the next video.
Why did I pick this up?
Goodbye, and have a fun summer or weekend, whatever it is.
Can you get me one of those? Can you get me a cup?
No.
Please.
Bye.